Hey there everyone, changing your engine oil seems simple, but one small mistake can destroy your engine and cost you thousands. Today, I'll show you the most common oil change mistakes and how to avoid them. Even experienced mechanics slip up, so understanding the behind each step is crucial. We'll cover everything from picking the right oil to tightening bolts the right way. This isn't just about saving money, it's about protecting your investment and keeping your car running for years. By the end, you'll have the confidence to change your own oil without fear of disaster. Let's get started and make sure your engine stays healthy. The biggest mistake? Using the wrong oil. All those numbers, 5W30, 0W20, aren't suggestions, they're critical for your engine. The first number tells you how oil flows when cold, the second, how it protects when hot. Modern engines have tight tolerances and need the exact viscosity specified. Use oil that's too thick or too thin, and you risk poor lubrication, engine wear, and expensive repairs. Always check your owner's manual or the oil cap for the right type and weight. Don't trust generic advice or sales pitches. Trust the engineers who built your car. And don't forget, synthetic, blend, or conventional matters too. Many modern engines require full synthetic to handle heat and prevent sludge. Using cheap oil in a high-tech engine is a recipe for disaster. Bottom line, check your manual, buy the exact oil specified, and don't cut corners. It's the simplest way to protect your engine. Don't try to outsmart the people who designed your car. The right oil is the cheapest insurance you can buy. Get it wrong, and you're risking your entire engine. Take 30 seconds to double-check. Your wallet will thank you. Got the right oil? Good, but the amount matters just as much. Too much or too little oil can both damage your engine and cost you big. Overfilling whips oil into foam, starving your engine of lubrication and causing leaks. Underfilling means metal grinds on metal, risking major damage. Always use the dipstick. It's your best tool for accuracy. Add a little less than the manual says, then top up slowly. Check the dipstick each time. Stay between the MIN and max marks. Just under max is ideal. Overfilled, drain some out. Underfilled, top it up. Never guess. The right level keeps your engine running smooth and cool. Take your time and double-check. Your engine will thank you with years of reliable driving. Never skip the oil filter. Changing oil but leaving the old filter is pointless. You're running clean oil through a dirty filter. The filter traps metal shavings, dirt, and sludge. Once it's full, it can't protect your engine. A clogged filter forces oil to bypass filtration, sending grit straight through your engine. Plus, old oil trapped in the filter contaminates your fresh oil instantly. Filters are cheap. Don't risk a $10,000 engine to save $10. Every oil change means a new filter, no exceptions. Remove the old filter, lube the new gasket with fresh oil, and hand tighten the new filter. Don't over-tighten, just snug. This simple step keeps your oil clean and your engine safe. Don't be lazy. Change the filter every time. It's the easiest way to protect your investment. Clean oil and a clean filter go hand in hand. Don't skip it. The drain plug might seem small, but it's crucial for your engine's health. It keeps your oil where it belongs. If it's too loose, oil can seep out, leaving a puddle under your car. Worse, you could lose all your oil while driving, destroying your engine. Over-tightening can strip the threads in your oil pan, causing permanent leaks and expensive repairs. Use a torque wrench and a fresh crush washer every time you change your oil. These tools make a huge difference. Tighten the plug to the specification in your car's manual, usually between 20 and 25 foot-pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, snug the plug by hand, then give it a quarter turn with a wrench. Never force it. Always replace the crush washer to ensure a leak-free seal. Old washers can lose their effectiveness. Start threading the plug by hand to avoid cross-threading, which can ruin the threads. Over-tightening is a common and costly mistake. The consequences are serious. Under-tightening is just as risky. Even a slightly loose plug can let oil escape, leading to engine damage. Use the right tools and follow the manufacturer's specs. Precision is key. Stripping the oil pan threads can cost you $1,000 or more in repairs. Losing oil on the road could mean replacing your entire engine, a disaster for any car owner. Investing in a torque wrench is cheap insurance compared to repair costs. Don't take shortcuts. Do it right every time to avoid headaches. This step only takes a minute but is crucial for your engine's longevity. Treat the drain plug with respect, and your engine will reward you with years of reliable service. Don't let a $1 part or a few seconds of carelessness ruin your car's future. Tighten it right, move on with confidence, and enjoy peace of mind every time you drive. The biggest mistake between oil changes? Waiting too long. Procrastination leads to sludge, clogged passages, and engine failure. Oil breaks down over time, losing its ability to protect and clean. Don't guess your interval. Check your owner's manual. Most modern cars with synthetic oil can go 5,000 to 10,000 miles, but severe driving means shorter intervals. Lots of short trips, stop and go, or extreme weather. Change oil more often. Sludge is the silent killer. By the time you notice, it's too late. Oil is cheap, engines are not. Stick to the schedule, and your engine will last. Don't push your luck, change it on time. Set reminders if you have to. Preventative maintenance saves thousands. Respect the schedule. And avoid disaster. Your car will thank you. Always warm up your engine before draining the oil. Cold oil is thick and leaves contaminants behind. Run your engine for 3 to 5 minutes, just enough to warm the oil, not burn yourself. Warm oil flows better, carrying out more dirt and sludge. You'll get a cleaner drain and fresher start for your new oil. Don't skip this step. It takes minutes and makes a big difference. Professionals always do it, and so should you. A little heat means a lot less grime left behind. It's a simple trick for a longer, lasting engine. Warm it up, then drain. Here's a quick essential guide to changing your oil at home. No experience needed. Park on a level surface, set the parking brake, and use wheel chocks for safety. Warm up the engine for a few minutes to thin the oil. Lift the car with ramps or jack stands. Never rely on just a jack. Place a drain pan under the oil pan to catch the old oil. Remove the drain plug and let the oil drain completely. Take off the old oil filter. Have a rag ready for spills. Lightly oil the new filter's gasket and install it by hand. Clean the drain plug and replace the washer if needed. Reinstall and tighten the drain plug to spec. Lower the car, then add new oil using a funnel. Check the dipstick and top up as needed. Replace the oil cap. Start the engine and let it idle briefly. Check for leaks under the car. Turn off the engine, wait, and recheck the oil level. Add oil if needed. Don't overfill. Dispose of old oil and the filter at a recycling center. You've done it. A quick, safe oil change at home. Enjoy the savings and confidence from doing it yourself. That's it. The 7 deadly sins of oil changes and how to avoid them. Doing it yourself means you know it's done right. You've learned the secrets the pros use to keep engines running for years. Don't be intimidated. Practice makes perfect. Take pride in your work and enjoy the savings. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment oil below. Get out there, get your hands dirty, and keep your engine happy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.